de que la gente, del que público vea lo que pasa en estas granjas. Hay animales muriendo, bebés separados de sus madres, madres continuamente entrenadas. You can see they're acting violent because they have something to hide. They wouldn't do this if they didn't have anything to hide. This is what farmers do. They farm animals and they farm. Oh, chicas! ¡Apartadas!
Hello everyone, I'm Catalonia, outside Barcelona in Spain. We are 150 peaceful and non-violent activists who have just entered a dairy farm here to expose the horrors that are being done to these animals here. And right now we are in the section of the farm where all the baby calves have been taken from their mothers after a couple of hours and put into small cages. Put into small cages like this, and of course they are missing their mothers and the mothers are missing them, and we would never do that to any other animals, but somehow it's legal and socially acceptable to do this to the cows in the dairy industry. And as soon as we arrived here we were met by extreme hostility and aggressiveness from the farmers here. They tried to hit us. They were shouting a lot, spitting at us, tried to block with the big trucks, and they sprayed manures on us, the shit and urine from the animals, attacking us with a truck full of that. And but right now they have retreated, and we constantly just say to them that they can call the police, and we are not here to harm them, and we are not here to scare them. We are not here because of them. We are here for the animals. We are here to document the animals, and we will stay here. And there's nothing that they can do about it. But we won't break anything. We won't harm them. We won't harm the animals. We all wear biosecurity suits, so there's no risk of infections in any kind. I haven't really looked around, so I don't know much about what I'm showing you. But I know that these are the calves. Many people don't know, because we have all been told that cows just produce milk because they somehow like to produce milk for human consumption, which is absolutely hilarious. It's actually not hilarious. It's devastating that people believe that. But like any other mammal, cows needs to be pregnant and have a baby before they lactate. So they are forcibly impregnated every year and give birth to a calf that are immediately taken from them. And the male calves are, if some breeds they are killed instantly, some other breeds they are fed for like 4 to 6 months and then killed. And if it's a female calf, they will end up like their mother, being used as a milking machine and raped over again year after year until they are only about 3 to 5 years old, and then they will be slaughtered and grounded into beef, and they end up in the same slaughterhouses like everyone else. So yeah, and that is what meat eaters and vegetarians are paying for. So please go vegan and please be active for the animals.
darles agua a todos, a todos. No tienen agua.
Look at that little baby. Probably only a couple of days old, taken from its mother. Put here in the sun, and it's really, really hot here. It's not even noon yet, and the sweat is just pouring off my head already. This is what they got. All they got is some dirty water and some dry food, and they are way, way, way too young to eat dry foods. That will give them horrible diarrhea that many of them will die from.
Mira cómo está de delgada. Sí, sí. Es que tiene...
So this is what you pay for when you buy dairy products, when you buy dairy chocolate, yogurt, cheese, cream, ice cream, all that. This is the victims.
It was really scary when one guy tried to hit the scene and he ran after him. Vuestra corta vida, estaros en una cadena, y a pleno sol, sin un bebé, y a la sin apenas
pero porque vino su hija, hermana o alguien, entonces ya...
She's not gonna bite you.
I know.
Again, it's so extremely hot here, and it's not even noon. I don't know how many degrees it is, but it's really, really hot, and they're just placed here in these plastic pins, a couple of days old, taken from their mothers. They're so confused. Look at them, just calling for their mothers, but no one is coming. This is dairy. Thank you. They're so thin.
Ya está lleno. Más.
As you can see here, their instinct is immediately to start sucking. That's all they know, and that's all they're supposed to know, because they need their mother, they need the milk from the mother. So when you give them a hand, they start sucking your finger.
Tiene hambre.
That's what we do to little baby animals.
Más.
Just want his mother. Still got the umbilical cord attached. It's not even falling off. It's a little baby. Little baby. Oh my God. Look how skinny it is. Poor baby. I would guess they're maybe 2 days old. Oh, so confused and so scared. Just arrived to this world and then suddenly locked in this horrible little pen in direct sunlight in the middle of the summer, taken from its mother. How dare we? Such an innocent creature. This is so horrible. I can't understand how we dare do this. I can't come up with any more vulnerable, innocent creature, like a little baby animal. They know nothing. They just arrive to this world and they're put in these horrible small pens in the middle of the sun, in the middle of the summer here in Spain. Just because humans like the breast milk from their mothers, how dare we? It's absolutely disgusting. And people don't want to know this. But we'll have to show them what they are supporting when they are buying dairy. And please, 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 if you are still consuming dairy, stop, immediately stop right now. because you are paying for this to happen. It's you who are funding this. And please, if you are already vegan, if you have quit all animal products, then please be active for the animals. As you can see here, just because there's a vegan Magnum on the market, just because McDonald's came out with a McVegan, billions and billions and billions of animals are still tortured and killed every year.
So I'll let you listen to. Can you hold this? I just need to drink and just
Of
film
course,
yourself.
yeah. Animals are still suffering in billions. So we need more people to be active for them, because they are suffering and things are just going way too slow. We need more people standing up for the animals. So join the animal rights movement or do something yourself. Join the Save movement, join Anonymous for the Voices. I don't care, just join anyone. Find out what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and do more of that. Devote more time to these innocent creatures because they have no one who's speaking up for them.
You can film yourself. Camera is hold to it here.
Oh.
Like this. I just have to. Can you just hold it like this? You can say so. Look, I'm filming you right now.
Yeah, I'm filming here too.
Oh, true. Hold on. Actually, I'm done, I think.
This is obvious. A little newborn. Such tiny little creature.
Some worm here, and they have no water. We have to put this water to them. You can see they're inside this crate, and it's so warm inside this farm.
Thank you all so much. I haven't looked at your comments or your questions, I'm sorry, so I haven't answered any one of them. I'm gonna stop live streaming here. I want to do some more footage with my other camera, and I want to do some more footage for the Instagram account as well, so please head over there as well, where there will be live updates, short videos with the exact time and an explanation of what is happening. I will do that during the whole action. Yeah, please everyone, please share every footage, every video, every photo you find on social media from this action, and share them widely. The consumers has to see what they are funding when they are buying dairy products and veal and beef. And use the hashtags Meet the Victims BCN. Please only use that one, not Meet the Victims Barcelona and so on. Only Meet the Victims BCN. So, and we will stay here until we get the media attention that we demand. We want the biggest TV stations in Spain to come into this farm and document on national TV how the animals are treated. And we won't leave until that happens. But we will stay peaceful and non-violent, of course. That's why we are vegans. Thank you so much for supporting. Please share, take care out there, and please be active for the animals. And if you aren't vegan, then go vegan today. Thank you so much.